message nito.
Uy,
Langit
Jing.
lang, Gage.
Ha?
Kumusta?
O yun,
Ganda ng
ikaw.
salamin mo,
Ha?
ha?
Ito ba?
Oh my... Saan mo
Bagay.
binili yan?
TikTok shop lang pare.
Nagkikip ka sa akin, ha?
Ha?
Nagkikip ka sa akin.
So, may try.
Ah,
TikTok shop lang to, pre.
Parang bagay sa akin to. Parang...
Pogi, may nag-text sa'yo.
Ano naman kasi, tapos hindi mo sasabihin kung saan mo binili.
TikTok
Madamot
shop
ka
lang,
rin,
pre. Mura lang yan.
TikTok shop, magkano bili mo, pre?
Check out mo na. Check
Magkano?
out mo na.
Check out ko magkano nga?
Tignan mo na lang sa TikTok shop. Baka na nga. Masyado ka bumili ka na lang.
Grabe ang coach nila. Patricia Gaspar and Queen Angelos Reyes. Congratulations, Queenie and Patricia. Good days. Bigyan ng 7,000. Bigyan ng taga sa Brilliant Team.
Barbidal! Barbidal!
Grabe ang match nila.
Yes! Yes!
Patricia Gaspar and Queen Angelos Reyes. Congratulations, Queenie and Patricia. Good games. Bigyan ng 7,000. Bigyan ng taga sa Brilliant Team.
Kaya pagbuksan ng iyong mga mata at sa iyong paghinga, ako ang hangin na dadampi sa iyong labi at tahali palagi. Sa bawat sandali, sa bawat sandali, sa bawat sandali.
So guys, look what just arrived. So my PR package from Kiko Milano is finally here and sobrang excited ako kasi this is for their Gloss to Go 3D Hydra Cafe Tour. So let's unbox it together. First of all, ang ganda ng packaging and super cute and very cafe vibes. Actually guys, dalawa talaga yung box. Yung isang box is may pastries from Cafe 1023. Kaso lang, naunahan na ako i-unbox ng mga bata at hindi ko na napakita sa inyo. So, ito ang itsura niya. So, i-unbox na natin siya. Meron tayong cup and meron silang pa-apron. Sobrang cute! And of course, here's the star of the package, the Kiko Milano 3D Hydro Collection. We have the 3D Hydro Lip Gloss, Extreme Lip Gloss. So ngayon, anong magandang gamitin as a barista? Okay, so ngayon, 3D Hydro Lip Stylo in the shade 04. Okay, ganda siya. This is my vibe. For my lip oil, ang gagamitin natin is yung 3D Hydro Lip Oil in the shade 02. And guys, I'm so happy to finally share this with you. I'll be your guest barista at Cafe 1023 in Imus, Cavite this July 25 for the Kiko Milano Gloss to Go Cafe Tour. And the tour is happening from July 4 to 26 across different cafes, and I'll be at Cafe 1023. So I really hope to see you there. So the pop-up starts at 2 p.m. So make sure na agahan nyo. Plus, when you order the Kiko Milano exclusive drink, you will get the free 3D Hydro Lip Gloss while supplies last. So first come, first serve talaga. And syempre, may little surprise din ako for you guys. I'll be doing an exclusive giveaway during my guest barista day. And the first 2 people who order the exclusive drink, post an IG story with me and the drink, then tag at Kiko Milano and at 1023 and me will each receive Kiko Milano 3D Hydro products. I'm super excited to finally meet you guys in person, chikahan tayo, take photos, and of course, let's enjoy good coffee and glossy lips together. So see you on July 25 at Cafe 1023, Imus, Cavite. Bye!
If you're not subscribed to Team Payame, why not? Coconut Paknot. Subscribe now and ring the notification bell. Gago!